Díolch is Mrs. Siobhan. Hi, I'm Siobhan from Bite Size Irish Gaelic, and today let's learn how to say parents. There are two words in Irish for parents: tish-meh-ho-er-ee, tish-meh-ho-er-ee, and tish-tee, tish-tee. The singular parent is tish-meh-ho-er or tuiste. Tish-meh-ho-er, tuiste. Now, let's learn the words for mother and father. Mother, maw-her, maw-her. And father is athair, athair. Don't forget, there's almost always a number of different ways to pronounce each word in Irish. Why not go and take a free trial of Bite Size Irish Gaelic at www.bitesize.irish.